Alright. Unboxing in TOH. It's gonna be fun. Dupe. Shocker. Average. Oh, it got something new. Dupe again. Dupe again. Dupe again. Dupe again. Dupe again. Dupe again. Keep getting duped, but can I get like something new? Guess not. Dupe. Bruh, okay, buddy, okay. When it gets those good items, we already have the good ones. I'd rather have something new than a dupe, okay? Yeah, I got something new. Yes, I got 2 things new, bro. What are the odds? We have like little to no boxes left. We can hope for the best. Just another dupe. One more item. I would be happy if I got one more new item. I think it's a dupe. Guessing this one's a dupe. Yeah, it's a dupe. It would tell you, 'cause that's a dupe. So much items we need left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 9, not even 10. Not even 10 effects until we get Teal Halo. Bruh. That's insane. What? This person's telling me I'm selfish. Okay. This person's saying I'm selfish. I don't know why. I don't know what I did. I'm gonna just end the video off here. Alright, boys. See ya.